Hi, I'm sorry that our synchronous session today didn't go as smoothly as one would hope. I had some trouble with my technology at home, but it seems to be working now. And I just want to go over a couple things that I had hoped to cover during the session today to make sure you understand everything that you need to do for the rest of the semester. So here we are on our learning units. And if you go down all the way to Unit 6, and then go to Module 4 Job Interview. You'll know that the job interview part was already completed for Sunday, but I want to show you this job interview part 2. One of the great things that happened today is that David really went off over a lot of information about what's important when having an interview and what you should remember to do. So I want to go down and show you the mock interview assignment and the mock interview critique. In this mock interview assignment, your option is to choose 5 different questions from this list of questions. And if you click on this link, it will give you some sample answers and some tips when answering some of these questions, which is really helpful in any kind of interview you might be in. But for this assignment, I want you to choose 5 questions, have someone you know interview you, and while you're answering these questions, make a tape of you, record it, and a tape of you answering these questions. And then I want you to upload that and turn it in through Blackboard. Once you've done that, you can go then on to the mock interview critique. And you can look at how you did. Watch yourself, think about anything you could have done better. This is how we learn and get better at that. And that's what David was saying in the meeting today. The more you practice something, the better off you're going to get at it. So you can see this mock interview form. It has all kinds of places for you to evaluate yourself. And once you've done that, I want you to then also turn that in right here in this section. And then here's your last time management planning unit. So be sure and complete that. And then the next thing I want to show you is under Unit 7, putting it all together. There are 2 parts to that. The first part is lifelong learning. Just a reminder, the mock interview and the mock interview critique are due Wednesday at midnight. And then this lifelong learning, you'll see something that you'll recognize, the post-assessment. You did a pre-assessment before, but you also need to do this learning video, lifelong learning video and quiz, and completing your last journal for the class. But I really want to make sure that you understand under Module 2, the wrap-up. This is where your final assignments are, and they are 2 portfolios, and each portfolio is worth 15% of your grade. So I don't want you waiting until the last minute to get this done. It is due next Wednesday, July 28th at midnight. We will have our last synchronous session the Tuesday before that. So we're really at the end, and I want to make sure that you're getting everything done that you need to get done. But one of the things that I want to make sure you see is here are the reflective portfolio instructions where you will be using your information from your journals. And here is a video that tells you how to complete this assignment. So remember, it will have you using journals that you created from each unit. This is your chance to go back. If you didn't get full points on any of your journals, this is your chance to go back and fix that. And then the next part is your career planning portfolio. Again, comes back from career assignments that you've done before. But this is your chance to go back. If you didn't do anything as well as you could, you can go in and redo it. Here are the instructions, and then again, here's a video about how to complete it. But again, because these are each worth 15% of your grade, which adds up to 30% of your grade, I don't want anyone to end up failing this class because they didn't get these final projects done, and it's probably a good idea to get started on them now. If you have any questions at all for me, please send me an email and I'll do what I can to help make sure you understand the assignment.